Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using Volusion for beginners in 2024. So Volusion is a powerful e-commerce platform that makes it easy to create and also manage an online store or your online store. So today, we'll walk you through the basics of or the basics to help you set up your store and start selling online right away. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open your browser, you can simply just go to the URL section and simply just type Volusion. So, and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to click on this first link, which is Volusion, e-commerce, as you can see, website builder, and online selling platform. Once you click on it, you will find yourself in the home screen or main screen of their websites right away. If you have an account by any chance, you can simply just go and click on login to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, instead you'll have to go and click on start for free to create a new account. As you can see, you'll have to fill up all those information to start your free trial. If you're interested about the pricing, here is it. So they have the personal option, as you can see, which is $30 per month, professional, business, and prime. Each plan comes with its own feature. So you can go and check it all by your own. If you have one of those frequently asked questions, I'll just open them all, as you can see, and you can pause the video and read whatever answer you want if you have one of those questions, as you can see. So for me, I'll just, as we said, click on start for free. And as you can see, create your store faster than anywhere else. Start your 14 days free trial, no fees and no credit card required and no risk. Powerful SEO, easily manage all of your metadata such as description, title tags, URL, and more, and you'll be able to keep your pages, products, and categories and SEO friendly. You'll be able to have a secure site. Your store has a 99.9% of course uptime guarantee. Additionally, our SSL certificates ensure that your store is further protected and Google friendly. And of course, they provide some responsive themes also. Whether your customers are tapping on their phones or clicking on a desktop, our fully customizable theme adapts to any device. So if you want to start your free trial, just fill up those informations, starting by your first name as example. So last name, email as an example. So just go here and fill up my email, 222@gmail.com. Then the country, then the annual business revenue as example. For me, I'll just enter the lowest here. Company name, I'll just name it Omics as example. Industry, and whatever good here, maybe educational products. Phone number, I'll just enter a phone number here. And websites as example, I don't have one at the moment, so I'll just enter a random one. I used to own this domain, so I'll just enter that. So cars, of course, I guess that's it. And I'll just go and click on start free trial. So it's loading, just wait. So yeah, welcome to here. So sign up to material to continue Volusion admin. So I'll just go here and create a password. Make sure the password contains all the following. So I'll just go and edit that until it contains all the following. And yeah, it should be good to go. All you need to do now is just go and click on continue. As you can see, we're setting up your new store. Please wait. So I'll just wait for them until they finish setting up my store. As you can see, it's very simple. We did nothing. I'll have 14 days free trial to try things out. And if I like it, I'll have to start paying, of course, per month, each month, a certain amount of money. It's not a lot, so you don't have to worry about anything, especially if you're making some good money out of your store. So as you can see, you'll have to wait. We're setting up your new store. Please wait. This should not take a lot of time, so I'll just wait a little bit more. And as you can see, of course, in the meanwhile example, so I'll just go to volusionagain.com. You can see here as example, so the features that they have. So the free themes as example, while this is loading, let's just see about the free themes that they have as example. So they have here a lot of themes that provide some speed, flexibility, and also easy to use example. So the back end tech site designer employs server-side rendering, automated image optimization, and more, makes your sites load faster, decrease bounce rate. Also, flexibility site design example, block-based architecture allows you to customize your store by selecting from our regularly update gallery blocks. An easy-to-use site designer, easy to make or easy to master. So you will enjoy list ramp-up type, effortlessly preview stage, update exactly at developer before pushing them. As an example, as you can see, result that makes a difference. So fresh, modern design, professional look and feel, no development downtime, expert technical support, a simple customization experience, and a better performing storefront. Other than that example, you can see their site builder, how it's looking like an example or something like that. You'll be able to see it. An example, the checkout solution, integrated payments. Probably they'll have like some authorized.net, maybe PayPal, maybe you also Stripe. I don't know what they have exactly. They have here some marketplace. If you want to add some add-ons into your store, of course, you'll be able to see. And here you'll be able to see all the features provided. As example, so you sell your products online. Example, you'll be able to have access to gateway and things as example, so instant secure setup, global coverage as example, so and find reporting, fraud and disputes protection, centralized dashboard, wallet payment like Apple Pay and etc, like Google Pay I guess, and etc. So buy now like pay later firm and etc. Stripe link payments method, as I said, so they support Stripe also. Transparent pricing, solid security, 24/7 support, and no gateway maintenance fee, as you can see. So they have even PayPal checkout and pay later example if you want to add that, and authorized internet as we said before, NMI, I don't know what that is, and even 4 points or 4 point payments. So it seems like it's taken some time, so I'll just pause the video for a second example. I'll tell you how much I waited and I'm coming back to you. So once a lot of time like passed, they give me like this option. Example, they will tell me that there's a problem at the moment. They redirect me here as example, as you can see. So example, even if I do the thing again, so example, they will tell me the same thing. Maybe they have a problem at the moment. Of course, I can try again later. Basically, once you do so, you'll have access to their account and you'll be able to simply be able to design. It's basically once you are there, it's totally now up to you. You'll have to start designing and customizing your store, adding some products, configuring some payments and shipping, customizing your store however you want. And if you simply just test your store at the last, and if you see everything as working as intended, you can simply just go and publish your store and it should be good to go. So sorry, I could not have access to show you exactly how to do it, but it's actually like a design part. So it's different from one to another. So I can exactly how to tell you how to design your store. So it's actually up to you once you sign up. So I show you how to sign up, which is the most important part, to how to start using it and how to have access to their platform. Once you have access to that, you can simply just follow along. They will provide also for you a lot of support, like how to edit, how to do a lot of stuff. You can just follow those instructions by them and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.